Hey guys, Dan Foodcoma here, bringing you another episode of Take on Mars. Now today what we're going to do is just really look at the final steps that I'm going to take before closing it out for the evening and letting the end game time just go ahead and do what it needs to. You can see first I'm taking a look at the objectives, and I've got some stuff to do to map Mars and all that, but what I really want to do is get a small lander researched and built, so maybe we can get a lander on Mars instead of just these probes that we're sending out. So first, to do that, we've got to do some research, and just going to take a look at the different research items that are available. Now if you look over here on the left, you can see the actual items that we want to research for, and I'm gonna go ahead and select the small lander, and then it's gonna highlight all the different things, and I'm gonna go ahead and just research each and every one of those. And by the time that we get back on, which will probably be tomorrow, we'll have all these items researched already. So that's what you want to do to get a specific item. Now you want to make sure that you keep an eye on your budget and make sure that you don't overspend. So hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, favorite, or and tell a friend. And if you have any comments, just go ahead and link them down below. Thanks guys, peace.